Take one.
It's my bike check. Start off with the ODI Super Soft Grip.
Oh, come on now. I fucking hate this bike, motherfucker. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Oh.
The fuck?
My bike check. Starting off with the grips. Got the ODI Super Soft Limited Editions with ODI Black Nylons. Fire ends. Demolition bars to Colony Rainbow stem. United spacers and everything. Stock United frame and forks. Flat seat, pivotal. To Odyssey limited edition pedals. Pretty good. The Cult 410 chain. United sprocket and cranks. To Odyssey P lights, Chase Hawks. Colony rim with Colony Wasp hub. Then Verde regular front rim.
Fuck Issac Lamont. Stone Beach.
Run away, 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 run away.
Holy fucking man.
I wanna run away to the left coast, have an endless summer running through me. Fill the air with a new hope, a new hope. Just let it be. Cut the cords around me. Never wanna hold me back. Give me that one song, letting me reach out. It's been 11 years and I'm still home. It's not enough, not enough. What we have is not enough, not enough. We can't give up. I have listened close to the voices singing to the rhythm of my life, and they're begging me to follow.